Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it's going to be an exciting one because I received a new spring collection by Gellac, which is one of Europe's biggest gel polish brands, and they were so kind to send me this new collection and I am totally obsessed with these colors. They are all so cute. So I'm just going to unbox them and of course swatch them as usual on some swatch sticks and just talk you through all of the colors. So here you can already see this collection is called the Felicity collection and it contains 5 beautiful pastel kind of spring-like colors. Of course, this is the spring 2020 collection by Gellac, and yeah, I'm pretty much obsessed with them. I really love these colors. As I mentioned in previous videos as well, I'm so ready for spring and summer and just some sunshine in general. I can't wait to just wear these colors when the sun is out as well. And here you can see I'm just going to swatch it on a swatch stick and of course cap it in with the Ultra Shine top coat by Gellac as well. First up we have this beautiful spring green color, which is number 284. Of course, all of the gel polishes have to be cured in LED for a full minute or 2 minutes if you use a UV light. I only use Gellac's LED light because I prefer lamps like that to cure my gel polishes. So yeah, I just have to cure each layer for a full minute. But here I was just waiting for my camera to focus. But as you can see here, this first coat, it applies like a dream. I feel like they've changed their formula a little bit. I feel like the colors are easier to apply and a little bit more thin in substance, if you know what I mean. I do have a couple of gel polishes by Gellac which are quite thick and a little bit harder to work with, but these colors, like their renewed like entire look, aesthetic, everything, I feel like they've improved so much and they're really easy to use even if you are not a pro in doing nails or doing nail art. So yeah, this spring green color, it's kind of like an olivey green kind of tone and I pretty much like it. I think it's really cute to use in nail art as well. Then the next one is 285. This one is called Happy Pink and it definitely is a happy pink. You guys know me, I love my pink colors and this one is definitely one that I will be wearing a lot. I think this is going to be one of those colors that I'm going to be wearing on my toenails a lot this springtime because just look at it. It is such a cute pink color. I do feel like the color on the cap, like the little swatch part in the cap of the bottle, looks a little bit different than the entire like label of the bottle, but that is something that happens quite a lot. Of course, it can be quite difficult to totally match that perfectly because yeah, it are like different materials. So sometimes getting the right color in both is a little bit tricky for brands, but that is also why I am here for you guys to swatch all of these colors with, at least I try to show them in the most natural lighting as possible. But yeah, this color again, beautifully opaque in the first coat already, but I would personally suggest or recommend if you're going to apply this to your natural nails to just apply 2 thin layers. That doesn't only like increases the intensity of the color, but it also gives a little bit of extra strength to your nails if that is something you're looking for. Then the next one is Serenity Orange. Again, such a cute color. This is one of those pastel corally kind of tones that can make you look so tan if you are pale. I've mentioned this in previous videos and sometimes my lighting makes it look like I'm more of like a warm undertone kind of girl, but in real life, like in fact, I'm really pale. I have a cool undertone. My veins are really blue and really showing as well. So yeah, sometimes lighting can really make a difference on how your own skin tone looks, and that is something I figured out while doing this YouTube thing, you know, making videos and playing around with different cameras and lighting. So this is one of those more like warmer shades. I wouldn't say it's a neon pastel kind of color, but it is definitely a tone that makes me look a whole lot more tan than I actually am. But yeah, this color, it really is a nice one. I'm definitely going to be wearing that one a lot as well. And yeah, just a really nice like consistency of the gel polish. Next up is Joyous Yellow, and to be honest, I don't have that much or many gel polishes in yellow, or at least not in soft pastel-y kind of tones like this one. And I love colors like these so much this time of year, especially now spring is coming up and Easter time and stuff like that. I really love colors like these, and as you can see, they're pretty much opaque in the first coat, and yeah, the same thing goes for this yellow tone. I can see a little bit of patchiness, but that's nothing a second layer can't figure out or just fix for me. I think this is a really cute color to do some Easter nail art with as well. And yeah, I just don't have anything negative to say about this color. It's nicely opaque, the substance is not too thick, they apply like a dream, they're quite self-leveling as well, and you just have to apply 2 thin layers. Personally, I just always do gel polish color like overlays on my own natural nails, or at least on my right hand. My left hand is always for regular nail polishes because I make both types of videos, you know. And I just don't like my nails to look really thick and almost look like they're acrylic or full-on builder gel nails, you know. So these gels, I really love the fact that they are quite opaque with just a first thin coat, and I also really like the fact that there are like the substance is not that thick. They're easy to work with as well. So yeah, this next color is called Lily Lilac, and it is such a cute color. I can totally imagine myself or seeing myself wearing this combined with like some cute glitter or something, or maybe combined with white and some kind of water decal with some lilac flowers on it or something like that. I just think this is a really cute color. And yeah, a little side note in this video, one of my other cats, Choppy, actually decided to show up and just go lay on my background paper. So yeah, just a little side note to that. He just loves to hang out with me while I'm recording. So yeah, that was a little snap of that. But 288 Lily Lilac, it's a really lovely, it's kind of like a dusty lilac color with a little bit of gray in there. So it's pretty wearable, but quite neutral, but still with a little bit of like a pop of color in there. But that were all 5 colors from the Felicity collection, which is the Spring 2020 collection by Pink Gellac. All bottles contain, I think it's 15 milliliters, and I really love their Ultra Shine top coat as well, because it is a no wipe one, so you don't have any sticky layer afterwards. So yeah, if you want to check it out, you can definitely do so. They are available online and pretty affordable as well. They're not too expensive. I think they're around the €15 mark per bottle, but you can always check them out and see if they have any current like discounts or something like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what color of this collection is your favorite, and as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.